Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for April 23, 2024, featuring the pink moon and 3 planets. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:57 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 7:41 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. 2 hours before sunrise, the bright, nearly full moon is almost 20 degrees above the southwest horizon. It is 2.4 degrees to the upper left of Spica. Since last night, the pair appear farther westward from Earth's rotation. The lunar orb moved eastward through its orbit and opened a gap larger than described in yesterday's note. Look for a larger gap this evening. The official full moon occurs before the moon rises tonight. Venus and Mercury are not visible. Brilliant Venus is lost in the bright pre-dawn light. It is moving toward a solar conjunction during early June. Mercury, rising 36 minutes before the Sun, is moving toward a difficult-to-see morning appearance, peaking on May 9. This morning, it is lost in bright twilight. Mars and Saturn are in the eastern sky before sunrise. At 45 minutes before daybreak, Saturn is nearly 10 degrees up in the east-southeast. Rising 2 minutes earlier compared to sunrise each day, the planet is easier to see. Mars is nearly 7 degrees above the eastern horizon and 8.5 degrees to Saturn's lower left. The red planet's visibility is marginal without a binocular, although the two planets are too far apart to fit into the same field of view. First find Saturn. Then move the binocular to the lower left to see Mars. In the evening sky. The full, pink, moon occurs this evening at 6:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The lunar orb rises as the sun sets. An hour later, it is about 10 degrees up in the east-southeast, nearly 12 degrees to Spica's lower left, a much larger gap between them since this morning. At this hour, Jupiter is low in the west-northwest. It sets 4 minutes earlier each evening and it is heading toward solar conjunction on May 18. Jupiter is trekking eastward after its conjunction with planet Uranus 3 nights ago. It is generally moving toward the Pleiades star cluster, over 9 degrees above the planet, but they disappear into sunlight before the conjunction occurs. Jupiter sets 93 minutes after the Sun this evening. During the night the pink moon appears farther westward. Tomorrow morning during twilight, the lunar orb is in the southwest, to the lower right of Zub and El Janubi, the Scorpion's southern claw. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.